Not quite long, just not quite long, Terra Classic have actually burned 183,435,218 Terra Classic coin have been destroyed within the past 16 hours. Not quite long. Oh wow. Though this number was we have been burning before, but I'm happy to see within this space of hours we're hitting almost 200 million. It means before 24 hours, Luna will be burning almost 200 or 220 million coins. So I'm happy. But one thing is that this number is actually coming from just 4 transactions. With Terra Classic recent price increase, I think so many people have really invested on Terra Classic recently. Okay, so many people have invested on Terra Classic recently, and that have also pushed the market cap of Terra Classic to increase. And I'm happy that even though Luna itself have actually gained a lot, because I believe that Terra Classic is going to rise more. About between 3 wallets to 5 to that should be 3 or 4 wallets have actually invested huge amount of money into Terra Classic LUNC. Maybe that results to the huge burning of Terra Classic, hitting over almost 200 million bonds today. So people are taking the advantage of this recent price increase. People are taking the advantage of this recent price bump to invest on Terra Classic LUNC. So for you, I have a question I was going to throw out today. For me, I still want to keep my Terra Classic till the end of the year. So what about you? If you have a Terra Classic, if you're a Terra Classic holder, please kindly drop your comment in the comment section below. Tell us how long you plan to keep your Terra Classic LUNC. How long do you plan to keep your Terra Classic LUNC? How long do you plan to keep holding to your Terra Classic LUNC? For me, I plan from now to the end of the year to know where Terra Classic will be going, and I also plan to do that with staking. Okay, yes, I want to be staking my Terra Classic to the end of the year. Then before then, I will not know what to do next. Well, please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.